Color theory. Color is the characteristic of human visual perception described through color categories, with names such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, or purple. This perception of color derives from the stimulation of cone cells in the human eye by electromagnetic radiation in the visible spectrum. Primary colors. These three primary colors are the foundation of the color wheel. Their true color pigments cannot be created by mixing any other combination of colors. All other colors in the color wheel are derived from these three color hues. Number 2. Secondary colors. These secondary color hues are created by mixing equal parts of two primary colors together. Red plus blue equals violet. Red plus yellow equals orange. Blue plus yellow equals green. Number 3. Tertiary colors. In total, there are 6 tertiary colors. These tertiary color hues are created by mixing equal parts of a primary and secondary color together. Blue, from primary, plus violet, from secondary, equals blue-violet. Red, from primary, plus violet, from secondary, equals red-violet. Red, from primary, plus orange, from secondary, equals red-orange. Yellow, from primary, plus orange, from secondary, equals yellow-orange. Yellow, from primary, plus green, from secondary, equals yellow-green. Blue, from primary, plus green, from secondary, equals blue-green. Number 4. Analogous. Analogous color schemes use colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. They usually match well and create serene and comfortable designs. Number 5. Complementary. Colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel are considered to be complementary colors. Example, blue-violet and yellow-orange. Number 6. Triadic. A triadic color scheme uses colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. Cool and warm colors. Warm colors are made with red, orange, yellow and various combinations of these colors. They give a friendly, happy, cozy vibe. Cool colors such as blue, green and light purple have the ability to calm and soothe. Gradient. A gradient is a gradual change of colors, such as green turning gradually into blue, or a color fading into transparency. There are 2 common types of gradients, radial and linear. Opacity. It is often used in graphics software to define how non-transparent an image is. In other words, the more transparent an image or image layer is, the lower its opacity. Opacity enables us to make an element of a design transparent. The lower the opacity, the more transparent an element is. For example, 100% opacity means an object is solid. Hue and tint. Essentially, a hue is a way to describe a color, and a hue can be any color on the color wheel. For example, red, blue and yellow are all hues. A tint is a variety of color. Crafty explains that tints are created when you add white to any hue on the color wheel. This lightens and desaturates the hue, making it less intense. Hex. A hex is a 6-digit number used in HTML, CSS, and design software applications to represent colors. Palette. A color palette comprises of colors that can be utilized for any illustration or design work that represents your brand. The chosen colors should be designed to work harmoniously with each other. Monochrome. An image created in black and white or in varying tones of only one color. Monochrome is used to describe design or photographs in one color or different shades of a single color. RGB. This model uses the colors R red, G green and B blue. This is used for digital ads, e.g. applied on social media ads, website headers, email signatures, TV ads. RGB tends to be used for on-screen purposes only. CMYK. This model uses the colors cyan C, magenta M, yellow Y and black K. This is used for color printing purpose only. For example, applied on flyers, brochures, billboards. CMYK colors begin as white and then get darker as more colors are combined. Pantone. A standardized color matching system, utilizing the Pantone numbering system for identifying colors. The Pantone matching system, PMS, is a standardized color reproduction system. Every hue is given a number, making it easy for people to reference and reproduce the same colors. Color value. An actual shade of lightness. It basically starts with light and ends with dark. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Color psychology. Observe the colors with their written names and understand color psychology. Working with color. Color is a powerful communication tool because it can grab the attention and make things stand out and look more attractive. The subtle and sparing use of color can elevate a design and can apply emphasis just where it is needed to increase the effectiveness of a piece of communication. The communication power of color extends much further than simply highlighting particular pieces of text. Colors also convey symbolic cultural meanings. The color lexicon changes as cultures change, providing the designer with an opportunity to better connect with a target group, but it also runs the risk of alienating it due to color choices. For example, Western culture associates white with marriage and black with death, but this is not the case in other parts of the world. Understanding cultural color associations can help ensure the success of communication, as color choices can reinforce a message or undermine it. Summary. In this video we discussed color theory, primary colors, secondary colors, tertiary colors, analogous, complementary, triadic, cool and warm colors, gradient, opacity, hue and tint, hex, palette, monochrome, RGB and CMYK, Pantone, color value and color psychology.